my shower, as you can see. And what I want to do is I would like to install a porcelain tile here. Okay? This area. I want to show what I did here. Here I put a stick. This is a stick, a very level stick, on the horizontal side here. And I actually already installed here a number of tiles. So what I want to show you is, you can see I actually put here tapes. These, because the way I'm going to install the tile, I'm actually going to spread the thin set on the wall as it should, and then I'm going to butter bake the tile and put it here. So this tape, it's only protected that if you can see, if I'm putting here the tile, it's going to kill the tape. So what happened, I just want to leave it clean in this area. With this kind of situation, one repeating set, I would not need to clean it. So let me show you how I'm doing it. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm actually taking this tin set, which is a modified tin set. It's tin set with polymer, and I'm just starting to spread it here. I'm spreading it 30 degrees with the wall. As you can see, it's already spread on the wall. I'm going to add more. So you can see I use quite a bit of thin set because I'm going to level it with this trowel. That's the notch, is 3/4 of an, so 3/8 of an inch. I'm using 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch trowel. I put it here in 45 degrees, and that's what I'm doing. Here I see that I'm missing a little bit of thin set. I'm going to put a little bit of thin set here. And with this, I have it. So what I'm doing here, you can see I have a tile here. And I just back butter the tile. This tile, the first tile I'm going to install here, there is an arrow on the back. There is an arrow on the back of this tile that let you know what is its direction, if you have to follow it. Okay, before I'm going to install that, I have to remove this up here, the tape, and I'm going to put it now here. And I have to push it to left and right. And that's it. The thing done. Just need to put spacer here. And I'm going to put the second tile. So after I put the second tile here, as you can see, I put the spacer here, which is 1/8 of an inch. I will take this piece of wood and slightly, lightly in this brush, you can see here, I just wet the brush and I move it between the space here. Okay, you can see how much insect I took out. Also here. Take this sponge. Take this level, make sure it's level. Here I'm going to put a tile, well actually you can see I put the thin set on the tile here. But very important to butter back, or back butter the wall. Let me show you how I'm doing it. First I will install this tile. And I'll actually press it a little bit tight, not tight. Move it left to right. Have the space over here. You always must make sure that the tiles are level. That's very important. With all the tiles. Diagonal, horizontal, and vertical. So now I'm going to put another tile here. Let me show you how I'm doing it. So first what I want to do, I want to back butter the wall. So that's it. I back butter the wall. Second thing, what I'm doing, I'm actually spreading the thin set on the tile. That is very important. I spread it evenly on the tile, 30 degrees. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually level it with a notch. It's a 3/8 of an inch notch. So you can see how it's look like after I level it. Now I'm going to clean it before I'm going to put it on the wall with a wet sponge. Now I'm going to put it on the wall. This tile has direction, so I have to go with direction. Put it on the wall. Put the spacer. And just slightly move it left to right. By doing so, you make sure that the thin set is spread evenly on the tile and on the wall. And remember, the wall is back butter with the same thin set. Okay? Now make sure it's level. Using a small level. bit here. Here's a big level. And that's it, the tile is finished.